the Middleman LLC. I want to go ahead and show you the Coronet Super 10 by Smith Corona in a beautiful blue. Comes inside of this case here, hard case. It locks, it closes, it moves freely. It locks inside the case, as you can see. This comes up, so I will go ahead and turn it on. Alright, I want to show you that motor's running, and then of course, now I won't do any more. I'm not going to do any more, obviously, because it's not good for it, but that's it. Beautiful color, working, relatively heavy, but still a good item. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.